Hi everyone, so in the final tutorial for today, you'll see a picture of this block puzzle, and you can see that you have a number of different shapes. The goal is to select each of the shapes one at a time and then change the color to a different color. You can use the various selection tools that you've learned about today, so you may use the marquee tools, the rectangular or elliptical marquee tool. You may also use the magic wand tool to simply click on something to make a selection. So for instance, I'm going to try selecting the star here with the magic wand tool, and as you can see, it's made a selection. And then I'm going to go to edit and fill and change the color to a different color. I'm going to change it to red. And then I'm going to click OK and OK, and you can see the colors change. Then I'm going to hit Control D to deselect and move on to the next shape. So that's essentially what you have to do, is click on each of the shapes and change the color to a different color. When you finish, you need to hit File, Save As, and save the file to your documents. And then at the end of class today, make sure it gets uploaded to Edsby, and make sure you submit the original Photoshop document and not a screenshot or an image file. Okay, well that's it.